Hello everyone, my name is Emmett Walsh. I'm a medical herbalist at Roscoe Clinic, and today we're going to talk about hypertension or high blood pressure. High blood pressure is probably the greatest threat to health in the Western world. It underpins a huge part of the development of heart attacks, stroke and much kidney disease. Some of the symptoms that you can spot at a relatively early stage in hypertension is people can experience certain dizziness, they can develop palpitations, which is an awareness of the heart beating. They can be aware of certain heart pain. People can begin to urinate more frequently. People can stress easier, develop greater anxiety, and generally, almost in all cases, people feel more fatigued. The causes of hypertension or high blood pressure are pretty well known nowadays. You're looking at inappropriate food, lack of exercise, excess weight, excess stress in one's life, overeating, late night eating, and damaging emotions. Now, these damaging emotions thing we'll talk about in a minute, but it's virtually never mentioned. Natural medicine views hypertension as a deep-seated condition. It is not a simple thing. Hypertension generally takes many years to develop. It is a chronic disease, and it can lead to an awful lot of very serious health problems. So to respond to hypertension, to treat it, some of the very beneficial things to do is to help and to breathe properly, regular exercise, behavioural modifications, especially in relation to dealing with these damaging emotions, particularly anger, frustration, resentment. They're the three big ones, anger especially, and also fear. Herbs and minerals can be used to respond to hypertension. Hypertension leads to a very much increased risk of developing coronary artery disease. A very helpful thing in dealing with hypertension is to be light-hearted. When you have hypertension, you have a heavy heart. You know you have a heart. So laughter can be very beneficial, and also dancing. These things make your heart feel lighter. Avoid rich foods, generally. Yoga is very beneficial, and meditation in responding to hypertension. Lose weight, of course. And while this may seem an awful lot of things to do, the person with hypertension must make a decision. They'll either deal with it through medicine, or deal with it through lifestyle, or deal with it through both. Short-term measures may be necessary to respond to a dangerously high level of blood pressure.